Hello everyone, my name is Satyajit Naik, a final year student of Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Hotel and Tourism Management Studies, Navi Mumbai. Today I will be talking to you about a country named
I sit by myself, talking to the
Hey buddy, no, not now. Just save it for later, okay? Save it for later. Ivory Coast, also known as Côte d'Ivoire, officially the Republic of Côte d'Ivoire, is a country located on the south coast of West Africa. Ivory Coast's political capital is Yamoussoukro in the center of the country, while its economic capital and the largest city is the port city of Abidjan. The currency of Ivory Coast is West African franc. Its exchange rate is around 0.13 rupees. The official language is French, as it was under the rule of the French until 1960, that is when they got their independence. A trade language known as Dioula Taboussi is also spoken throughout the country by the Muslim traders. The major cities of Ivory Coast are Abidjan, Yamoussoukro and Bouaké. With more than 4 million people calling it home, Abidjan hails as one of the largest metropolis in all of West Africa. Although not officially the capital of Ivory Coast, that honor goes to Yamoussoukro, it's perhaps the better city to go for an introduction to the nation. A visit to Yamoussoukro is a strange experience. It's imbued with wide boulevards and grand open spaces, shiny new governmental buildings and high-rise hotels. And also don't forget, it is also the home to the largest church in the world. The city of Bouaké remains something of a fusion of all the various tribal and political influences at work, complete with an earthy character and interesting locals. It is the markets, the arts and the crafts that really come to the center of the stage. Coming to the special facts of this country, Ivory Coast boasts of the world's largest church, the Basilica of Our Lady of Peace of Yamoussoukro. It surpasses even St. Peter's Basilica of Vatican City with an exterior area of 30,000 square meters. It was finished in 1990 and can hold about 18,000 worshippers. Ivory Coast is the largest producer of cocoa beans in the world. Their national economy is totally dependent on the price of cocoa. Around 31.6% of the world's total cocoa is exported from Ivory Coast. The country's national soccer team has a peculiar nickname, Les Elephants. They won the 1992 African Cup of Nations and again in 2015, both by beating Ghana on penalties. There are 4 UNESCO World Heritage Sites in the country of Ivory Coast. The first is Mount Nimba, which is covered by dense forests, harboring a rich variety of flora and fauna. The second is a historic town of Grand Bassam, once a colonial trading post. The third is Comoé National Park, one of the largest protected areas in West Africa. And final one, Tai National Park. It's a home to 11 species of monkeys. The traditional cuisine of Ivory Coast is very similar to that of the neighboring countries in West Africa in its reliance on grains and tubers. Cassava and plantains are significant parts of the Ivorian cuisine. Some of the famous dishes are chicken kejina, plakali sauce okra, garba, sokosoko of beef, and atik fish or meat.